Here are some simple steps for pairing your computer and sharing your screen with Merlyn. First, make sure you have your connections right. You're going to plug your laptop into the Symphony Classroom device using an HDMI cable. To check and see if you have your connections right, you can look at the status bar on the top right corner of your home screen. You can see that your HDMI icon is illuminated blue. That means you're connected. Now pair your laptop to Symphony Classroom. To pair, go to your teacher portal at teacher.merlyn.org. Make sure you have your browser extension and your desktop app downloaded and logged in before doing this. Once you're at your teacher portal, go ahead and type in the pairing code that you see on the screen. Press pair, and then you're done. Now you're ready to show your laptop. To switch to your laptop, just say, "Hey Merlyn, show my laptop." And voila. Try it out yourself, and happy teaching with Merlyn.